Okay, welcome back to Brook in the Air. And I had a bit of a change, really. So, with my flight being canceled, decided to treat myself to a weekend at the Hilton Downtown here in Cleveland. So we're giving you a bit of a room tour, hotel tour as well.
Yes.
There we go. Thank you.
Oh, go to room. They're up and
Yeah,
down?
they're up there already.
Okay.
Okay, here we go on the 31st floor. Let's see here. I'm on 3101. Oh, here we go. First of all, before we head there, look at that view. I'm not really one who likes Cleveland or anything, especially for one who lives here. But damn, look at that view. See that building right in through there? I used to work there. Anyway, yeah. Pretty nice, actually. Okay, let's go up here. Okay. Room 3110, 3101, 3101. Let's see. Very nice carpeting. Notice this style of carpeting overall is very, very reminiscent of every Hilton property that I know so far. Went the wrong way. Okay, it's no problem. Sure, I know my map. What the hell? Hello. I'm way at the corner. Way at the corner. So let's see here. Oh, look at that. There's Key Tower. There's the new Sherwin-Williams building. There's the Marriott. There's the main square off to the side. I walk by every day after work. There's the National General Insurance Company and M Trust Financial. Fifth Third Bank. Rockefeller Building. Overall, really nice. Okay, let's go inside. We got 3101. Here we go. Well, now, this is quite nice, I think. Pretty nice overhang. It's the main bed. This is the TV, obviously. Huh. Little fridge. Pretty nice overall, I think. sitting area. The cup chair. Just kidding. Night lights, stand. Iron remover and closet. And the main bathroom over here. Shower amenities. Gel douche. Revitalisant. Shampooing. Shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel, obviously. Overall, can't really complain. Total price at this very large skyscraper hotel in Cleveland was $639 for 2 nights. About $640 total. Not bad, actually. So I'm going to settle in and get myself some dinner. I will talk to you guys soon, in a bit. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see you soon.